Derby City Centre, you know. Yes, bless up, respect. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, Derby City Centre is it. It's these machines for like poker machines and stuff.
Yeah, how come you videoing it?
Yeah, because I'm local YouTuber, you know. I always promoting things around the area. Yeah, man.
Dante, record, entertainment,
YouTube. Like and share. Subscribe.
Let's go.
Out for now, my
You'll be
viewers and my
lucky to
subscribers.
hear it. You'll be lucky to hear it.
Yeah, you're lucky to
hear it.
Yeah, man. Dante Records Entertainment. Bless up yourself. Respect. Yeah, man, you don't know. Yeah, man, Gary's soft, whippy. Is what I say. Don't know Derby settings. Like and share, my viewers and subscribers. Check him out. You know what I mean? Gary's soft, whippy. Like and share. Out, YouTube. Mad thing. Yes, Gary. Bless up. YouTube. So the thing set Dante Records Entertainment. Out. Just give me the fire red. You know it's arranged to represent live at Dante Records Entertainment on YouTube. Remember to subscribe. Man, out. Derby City Centre, you know. Yes, bless up, respect. Yeah, man. Don't know. So the thing set in a Dante Records Entertainment, YouTube, we out here, is what I say. More strength, my viewers and subscribers. Don't know. Big food, is it? Don't know how the thing go. Like and share, my viewers and subscribers. See me? Yeah, man. Bless up the lorry driver, you know. So the thing said. Yeah, man, and bless up the truck driver. More strength, like and share. YouTube, out. Like and share. Yeah, man, Derby City Centre is it. It's these machines for like poker machines and stuff.
Yeah, how come you videoing it?
Yeah, because I'm local YouTuber, you know. I always promoting things around the area. Yeah, man. So where all these going though? House of Hold, yeah? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, just let them know Dante Records Entertainment, is what I say. Yeah, man. Like and share, my viewers and subscribers. Out for now, YouTube. TK Max. Like and share, my viewers and sub. Mad lorry, is it? And I saw things that look at this. Home bargain settings, is it? Yeah, man. Like and share. Home bargains. Don't know. That's the thing there now. Derby. See this mud thing, you know? This mud. See me? So I go on. Come on. unload that one off, you know. Yeah man, Dante Records Entertainment, YouTube. Yeah man, Dante Records Entertainment, YouTube. Super. Like and share Dante Records Entertainment, YouTube. CJ Sweeper. Mad thing. That's the thing there, you know. Dante Records Entertainment, YouTube out here. Norman turn me there. Like and share. Yes, my viewers and my subscribers. So if you do enjoy watching this video, please remember to tell a friend to tell a friend. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Dante Records Entertainment, YouTube. We'll be giving you a lot more content on this channel. You don't know how the thing said. And if you guys want to advertise on this channel, remember to email Dante Records Entertainment at gmail.com. A phone number will be in the description of this video. Like and share. Catch you on the next upload. Arrangement out.
Dante, Record, Entertainment,
YouTube.
YouTube,
Like and share. Subscribe.
Let's go.
Out for now, my
You'll be
viewers and my
lucky to
subscribers.
hear it. You'll be lucky to hear it.
Yeah, you
You'll be lucky
fucking
to
will.
hear it. So.